Time to open your package.
Is that a tablet?
I don't know. Maybe you should open it.
Oh. It is. Oh. What's this? Ooh.
Can you get it?
Ooh.
What are those? What are those?
They're surprise eggs.
They're surprise eggs.
Yeah.
Well, get those puppies out of there.
Okay.
Pull on that right there. They're packaged very well.
I take this up. I got some Lego. These.
Honey, you gotta open it.
Ooh.
Open it up.
They're surprise egg.
What are they? Show me. Tell me what they are.
They're surprise egg. Give me that.
Ooh, they're Marvel
Mine.
Sweets and Surprises. Surprise eggs. She got 3 of them.
I got some more here.
Show them the other ones.
Oh, I got some of this. Huh?
Yes, this is how we open everything in my house.
Yep. This is terrible, isn't it? I got a toy.
A Marvel Easter egg. What's in there?
I got this.
Got what? Ooh, you got Thor. Ooh, I like Thor.
Yes, me too.
Looks like there's all kinds of them. Did you get stickers too?
No, not anymore.
And some candy. And look, they look like little eggs. Kind of. Maybe not. Kind of in the shape of little round ovals.
What's this?
What's that?
It's a new tablet.
No, it's not a tablet.
Stickers.
Stickers. Well, open them up and show us.
Okay, one more. Okay.
Open the stickers up. On the back. Look on the back. There you go. So you get 3 eggs, 3 surprise eggs, and then you also get the sticker set, which is what she's opening right now. So your kids will be thrilled. They'll get 3 little things of candy and 3 little, what looked like maybe charms or something like that. The one that said Thor on it. Okay, so here's the sticker set. Okay, so what you get is some stickers. And it looks like, oh, it's like it's a thing to put the stickers on. So you get, ooh, we got Spider-Man stickers. Spider-Man. How awesome is that? So this is the Marvel surprise egg. So definitely want to get some for your kids. My daughter just loves opening these things. She thinks they're the bomb. Who'd we get this time? What'd we get? Let me see. Ooh. Looks like a top.
Yeah.
Awesome.
I got one more.
Okay, say thank you.